So we've chilled our strawberry liqueur overnight and we're just gonna taste it as is. We did make it for another recipe, which we're gonna show you now. We made this partially because we wanted to have the strawberry spiked lemonade, Limonade, which is a sparkling lemonade that's also in the book. To make this, we have to make a lemon syrup. And then we have to chill it before we add sparkling water and then per drink you can add the strawberry liqueur. You can drink it as is. Obviously, our children will be trying it as is, see what they think. We're gonna try it probably spiked with the strawberry liqueur. But to make the syrup, we're gonna go heavy on the sugar. He has, if you like a tartar lemonade, he says, you know, go a little bit less. We're gonna go a little bit higher because we like our lemonade a little bit on the sweet side. So this is the sugar. I squeezed the lemons and I used this juicer, but it does have some kind of large holes, so a few of the smaller seeds got in. I'm gonna add about half of the lemon juice, but I'm going to strain it so it doesn't get the seeds. That's good enough. And then we'll strain the rest before we add it too, but I just wanted to make sure I strained it just because, as you can see, there's a few seeds. Hands are, of course, clean, as they always are these days. All right, and then to this we also add, this is lemon zest. He does not say how to make this lemon zest, whether to microplane it or to cut it off in strips, and I decided it was going to be easiest for me just to cut it off in strips rather than microplane all of it, and should be fine. So we're gonna put this in here, and all that we have to do here is to, I don't think there's any water. No water till we add the sparkling water. We're going to bring this up to temperature just enough so that the sugar dissolves completely. And then we're gonna let it cool to room temperature. We're gonna strain it, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. And we'll be back and show you at that step, when it's cold, what we're gonna do with it. So I strained the lemon syrup that we made, got the lemon zest out of it. After it cooled to room temperature into this pitcher, I just added, and I chilled it, and now I've just added also the rest of the lemon juice that I also chilled. And now, because this recipe does not call for an amount that is equal to, amount of sparkling water that is equal to the sparkling water bottles that I have, it's different. I am going to measure that on my scale because it's one full bottle plus some. So we're gonna add, this is just sparkling water, just carbonated water. If you have like a soda stream or whatever that will do that for you, that's great. Use less plastic, but this is, we're not big on carbonated water, so we're just using these bottles. And let me get the right amount, and this has also been chilled, so all of this will be cold. Yeah, there we go. It's a little bit more, it's fine. And that is it for the sparkling lemonade, the Limonade, from Drinking French. We are going to make the strawberry spiked lemonade a little bit later, but we're gonna let the kids try it as is. We'll let you know how they like it. We've made our Limonade, the sparkling lemonade. We've made our strawberry liqueur, And now we're going to combine those two things in a strawberry spiked lemonade, also from Drinking French. First, I'm going to make one serving of this. So just because you have to muddle strawberries, and anyway. So 2 medium strawberries in this. I'm going to cut them up a little bit so that they will muddle easier. Because you are basically going to liquefy these. Medium, sure. And you're going to add to this some of the strawberry liqueur from the recipe, but not all. This is gonna be fun. All right. There we go. I've got my muddler, and I am going to just basically pound this. Try to get them. I got my eye. I'm going to try to get these liquefied. Maybe I shouldn't have sliced them up, because now they're I'm kind of chasing them around with the muddler. So that's not fun, and that's why I got my eye. So next time we're going to try it without that and see what works better. With some effort, I've gotten that done, and now we're going to, let's see. He does this in the glass. It's hard to muddle things in our glasses, and my husband's afraid I'm gonna break it. So I'm gonna do it in here, even though I'm not gonna shake it. Just about that. We're gonna add the rest of our strawberry liqueur. There we go. Not too bad. And the sparkling lemonade that we made. And you should drink the sparkling lemonade, you know, close to when you make it, because it has fizz in it. So, and I think you just, yeah. He says if you can use store-bought lemonade for this, and if you do, you might want to add some extra lemon, but just serve this perfect in a glass. You can garnish it with a strawberry if you want. I'm not going to right now, but there we go. Strawberry spiked lemonade. It's pretty good. If you want a little more lemon or a little more sugar, you can add some more simple syrup, but I think this is pretty good. I'm enjoying it. We really did. The kids didn't so much like the sparkling lemonade, but they don't like fizzy drinks in general. Plus, it may have been a little tart for them. I'm glad I went with the entire amount of sugar that he suggested, instead of half of it, which is, he's like between half and this whole amount. We went with the whole amount because it is a little bit tart. It was kind of tart, kind of sweet. I mean, it was great for me. The kids didn't love it. But we're going to enjoy these. And if you enjoyed watching me make this, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back and watch me make something else next week.